In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a booklet using Adobe InDesign. Whether you're preparing materials for a presentation, creating a program for an event, or designing a small magazine, printing your project as a booklet can give it a professional and polished look. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure your final product is exactly how you envisioned it. First and foremost, let's get started by opening your InDesign document. This is where all your content is stored and formatted, ready to be turned into a stunning booklet. If it's not already open, go ahead and launch InDesign, then navigate to the document you want to print. Take a moment to double check that everything looks good on screen, as this will save you time going forward. Once your document is ready, head over to the top menu bar. Click on File, and from the drop-down list that appears, select Print Booklet. What this does is open up a separate window dedicated specifically to booklet printing. It's an important step because printing a booklet involves rearranging pages so that they eventually fold and stack correctly. In this window, you'll be prompted to choose a booklet type. The options here typically include 2-up saddle stitch, which is a common choice for many booklet projects because it allows the pages to be folded and stapled along the center. If another style suits your project better, feel free to select that one. Take a few moments to consider what best fits your design and intended outcome. Next, you have the opportunity to adjust settings if needed. Within the Print Booklet dialog box, you'll see options for setting margins, creep, and even the print presets. These settings help customize how your booklet will come out, and adjusting them can make a big difference if you're working with specific design needs. If you're unsure about what to change, starting with the default settings might be a good option initially, until you're more familiar with how the final print will appear. Before hitting the print button, it's essential to preview and check the arrangement of your pages. Use the preview feature in the Print Booklet dialog box to see how your pages will appear in sequence. This is your last chance to make sure everything looks correct before committing to print. Page order and orientation should be reviewed closely to avoid mistakes. Once you're satisfied that everything is arranged perfectly, click Print to send your booklet to the printer. Make sure your printer is properly set up with the correct paper size and type to ensure the best possible print quality. And there you have it. You've now printed your booklet directly from InDesign. Whether this is your first time or you're refining your process, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching and happy designing.